All right, all done for the day. Let's get out of here. Ugh. This thing's pretty dirty. I should wash it. Hold up. What exactly do you think you're doing?
What? I need to clean my computer.
That's crazy. That's not how you clean a computer.
Well, what else am I supposed to do? It's dirty.
I swear, wouldn't be enough rice in the world to put this in. What's up, HCPS? Welcome to another edition of Wait, How Do I Do That? Brad Spence here, and today we're going to talk about device care and specifically cleaning your device. As we head further into digital learning and as we look forward to returning to in-person learning, our devices are going to start moving back and forth between home and school, and they may be getting a little dirty and a little cruddy. So we're going to talk about the best way to clean it and things you should absolutely not use. So let's check it out. So first thing, if you just want to clean it and you just want to wipe it down and get it a little bit clean because you're noticing some spots and things like that, the first thing you could use is just a moist water wipe. Moist water wipe. Just gently clean it off, wipe all the dirt off, okay? If you're interested in some ways to possibly disinfect your device, we suggest a non-alcoholic moist wipe, okay? Doesn't contain any alcohol because the alcohol can fade the LCD screen, it can fade the letters on the keyboard, and if it gets inside, we've got all kinds of problems. And whatever you do, don't use a spray bottle. Never spray anything on your device. If the stuff gets inside it, it could cause all kinds of problems, can spot your LCD screen, do all kinds of damage. If you have a spray and you want to use a spray bottle of water, a spray bottle of non-alcohol based disinfectant, spray it on a rag or a towel, then wipe it down gently. Don't let moisture get into that, because as everyone knows, water and wetness and electronics don't mix. There's some other things you shouldn't use, specifically if you're looking at cleansers. If they have certain types of chemicals in them, should absolutely not use them. I'm not really good at reading them. I wish we had like one of those lawyer voice guys from the commercials to do it.
Do not use any of the following chemicals or solutions that contain these: acetone, ethyl alcohol, toluene, ethyl acid, ammonia, or methyl chloride. If you have a different chemical or solution and are not sure whether to use it, don't use it. Any of the chemicals in the previous list may cause permanent damage to the LCD screen. Some commercial window cleaners contain ammonia and therefore are unacceptable.
Thanks, lawyer voice guy. So that's it. If you want to clean your device, please follow our recommendations. This is what the manufacturers say, and we want to make sure we're keeping our devices up and running, clean, and not messing with them. Hope you have a great week. Hope learning is going well, and we can't wait to see you. Bye.